What's up, Pyrotechnicians? It's your boy PyroFX, and today we're showing you my updated Starter 11. Sorry about that. Yep. And in another video, I'll be showing you my other recruits. So you have Mark Evans, level 79 capacity plus, blah 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 blah. I give him temporal wall over, put you back into it because it wasn't doing much. Temporal wall's a beast. I'm gonna replace it with a different move. I'm just having it for now. Hurricane, everyone move it, blah 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 blah. Torch. Yeah, I'm playing Bombast because he has Clone Penguin. Axel. Kevin. Gave him. He did have Rolling Hell, but I gave him Lightning Sprint over that. Thomas Felt, I just gave him because he has a guard stat of like 97 or 98 in gold. So he's not really a part of the team. My name's Austin Hobbs! Oh god, that's the cancerous. That's a cancerous cutscene. I believe I'm paused to read. If you want to read the bios, just read it in my other video, because, yeah. Supernova. He did have Liar Shot, but, nah. Game. The Hurricane! Sorry, my left hand's really hurting. Yes, I gave him X Blast. That'd be double jaw if I was playing Lightning Bolt. Why? Such a bad decision giving him a cutscene in this club. I guess nah, it's just bye for now.